Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do something cool today. So alright, time test. So alright, you've heard me talk about, actually let's just do from time import time. So if you've not seen my video on time, the time module, go and watch that. From random import rand int and seed. So if you've not seen these two, go watch that. And this should be okay. I'm good there on my little picture. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna time a list comprehension, then we're gonna time a for loop, and I'm gonna show you something interesting. So start time, then we're going to set our seed. If you don't know seed, go watch seed. The reason why we're doing seed is, you might say, why in the world are we doing seed? Well, because we're doing exactly what it was designed to do. So you get random numbers, but you get the same random numbers, so you can test, you can have a test case, so you can get started on it, so you can compare and contrast, and it can be exactly what it is. And I'm screwing up typing, and I'm forgetting the beginnings of my comprehension. So comprehension, if you don't know what list comprehension is, back out, go watch that video on list comprehension, and then come back, range, and come back and watch this. Alright, we're going to do this 500,000 times. So boom. Then x, then we're going to square, so I times I for I in new, close that out, and then we do end time print, of course, end minus start, close that, and the only thing that we're going to print out is the time difference. So then okay, new empty, oops, nope, start, because we want to capture all this. Start, we're going to do time again, then we've got to create our new empty list, then we're going to do our seed 1, and let's get started on our I in range. Let's make sure we get, that's 500,000 times, close that out. Then we're going to take our new, throw in our append, then we need to, we're going to have another one just like we did before, so then we're going to go through for I in new, and we're going to take x append, and look at what I did here. This needs to be our rand int. So I'll go over this in just a second. Rand int 0 through 10. Close that out, close that out. Okay. Then I squared. Then end time print end minus start. So, okay, here we go. I want random numbers generated 500,000 times. Going this way. Then I want to square that number, whatever that number is in that list. So, more choppy here. This actually makes more sense. This is also why list comprehension was created, because then you don't have to really think about this, because now you have to go put it back in a list, and then every time you're going through this 500,000 times, I want you to grab a number 0 through 10 and then square it. And then here we square it. So, alright, let's just run this and let me show you what happens. Look at that. A tenth of a second longer. So if you start really doing, you do it again, wow, big difference there. So when you're talking about, this is only a 500,000 processes. Let's say you're working on a data set that has 1 billion, and you just have to go through this over and over and over again. This really starts to take time and add up. And this is, not only is it neater, my thoughts, easier to understand, because I mean, I almost forgot this, and we have these 2 for loops, and we have to go through and but here we did it the same thing on 2 lines. Less typing for us, readability improve, and then now, as we can see, it's literally faster for the process to happen. So that's testing our time of a process, and we compared list comprehension and for loops, and now we know list comprehensions are actually faster as well. Not only easier to read, easier to write, faster to process. So don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell, and please leave any comments, questions, or my favorite video requests below, and I will get right to them. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.